What is ZFT? No, the right question is, who is ZFT? We are a new generation of wealth builders, a community of dreamers who broke the cycle and enjoying the best of what life has to offer. Money is just a byproduct of our process, and we do this while pursuing our dreams and passions. Yes, we make it all possible. Learn how to trade, dive into the cryptoverse, build or invest in Web3. We'll help you with your first steps and light your path to greatness. Join us as we defeat giants, meet our allies, and embark on this adventure called life. We are ZFT.
What is Trading Republic? No, wait. Who cares? The question is, what can Trading Republic be for you? And you know what they say? Show, don't tell. Join the best trading community ever.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Zeefreaks. I've been trading and investing in the markets for over a decade. PSE, crypto, US, NFTs. Been there, done that. And still here, guys. Hindi pa tayo na-liquidate. Buti naman. And today, we're going to be bringing you the usual Monday market updates. It's a very bullish Monday, by the way. And for those of you who don't know what this is, ano ba tong ginagawa natin? Why are we here? Well, this is our weekly show where we are going to be condensing and analyzing different assets, different stocks, tokens, at NFTs, at kung ano man yan, so that if you're the kind of person who's quite busy and don't really have time for monitoring the whole market, then this is kind of like your show. And kayo guys, if you want to ask questions later during the show, you want to ask advice as well regarding your trading situation or investing journey, go ahead, ask away, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. So, shout out to you guys who have been always watching here with me, or ayan, si Good Idea sa YouTube. Ayan si Jericho, yung ating ka-good morning. He's on. Good evening sa'yo. October na nga. Hindi October. So yeah, magandang gabi sa'yo, Oliver and Ravi. To June as well, good evening. Good evening, guys. Ka-WTS? Ano yung WTS? I'm not sure. Ano ba yan? Sorry, slow. Check to Kathy. So si Mazel andito. I'm not sure if it's Mazel. Later, please remind me kasi kanina you were asking about the tokens, kung ano yung mga hinawakan ko in the Solana ecosystem. Let me know. Baka maya kasi makalimutan ko. Ayan. All right. Good evening to Jem. Good evening, John and Joanna and Julius and Julie. All right, guys. So let's go and start this show. Medyo mahaba-haba pa yung ating gabi. So let me just share to you guys. Oh, that's Bitcoin chart. Let's go for PSE first. So usually the flow is PSE muna tayo and then US markets and then afterwards crypto. Tapos kung may time pa tayo, let's go for Solana. So, simulan natin with PSEI. So, why we go for, bakit may USDT? PSEI. So, nasobrahan. Guys, ano kasi yung kamay ko. Nasanay na nilalagyan ng USDT. Okay, PSEI. Alright, so PSEI, this is the index of the Philippine Stock Exchange. Basically, yung mga top stocks in the PSE. Ayan, and then usually kasi kung ano yung galaw ni PSE, yung index, yun din yung magiging malamang galaw nung overall, kumbaga, stocks. So kung bullish yung galaw ng index, malamang magiging bullish din yung mga iba't ibang stocks na na listed sa exchange. Of course, not all kasi may mga basura pa rin, but just kind of like gives you that overall health or condition ng market. And at the moment, here we are. We have our short-term bottom over here. Meron tayong retest na nangyayari dito. Hindi natin alam if that is actually the bottom. We would know if, let's say, bottom na talaga yan. Pagka nagkaroon tayo ng breakout here. So, if we have the breakout from this level, 6,380, and this level, which is ito talaga yung hinihintay natin na mabasag. Ito yung trend shift natin eh. Pag nabasag tong level na to, 6,687, then that's the time na we can be starting to celebrate and then say na, bull market in PSE. But for now, we're still in a sideways to downtrend. So, dapat maingat yung ating stance when it comes to this. All right. So, one of the stocks na ni-request, mostly requested. Guys, kung may mga request kayo ng mga stocks, sabihin nyo lang. Drop it on the comments so that we will cover that. First is dito. Ayan. So, sinabi na natin, guys, we covered this last time. And we did say na, okay, this was, nung last na Monday ito, right? So, ang ideal kasi na mangyari dito is mag-retrace. And sinabi din natin na if nagkaroon ng breakout from this level, then that is your go signal. So, which happened over here naman. Hindi na siya bumagsak, hindi na siya nag-retrace. And kita nyo naman merong malaking volume here. RSI 70 is still holding as well, which is a pretty bullish sign if you ask me. Multiple resistance are being broken. So here, pagka ganito yung itsura, meron na tayong momentum. To me, you can trend follow this one, especially kung nakakuha ka sa malalim. Ideally, what you want to happen is mag-consolidate talaga siya. So if it is going to continue by Tuesday, Wednesday, ganyan, that's going to be a selling opportunity and then hintayin nyo yung consolidation or yung retracement. So, pagka hindi nyo siya, like, I don't want to be recommending kasi na, bili kayo long term kasi mukhang goods na to. I am not gonna do that kind of recommendation in this show. As much as possible, I would be here showing you guys ano yung itsura ng mga pag-shift ng trend and ano yung mga pwede nating gawin in different scenarios, different cases. And so, ayun, we heavily rely on price action. So, yan yung magiging guide natin dito. Hindi tayo yung parang, oh, may news na ganito, ganyan. Those are catalysts. But ultimately, a catalyst will have to be followed up by price action. So, kung may catalyst na bullish pero wala namang price action, malamang trap yan or malamang wala talagang demand dun sa stock na yun. So, at the moment, ito na yung itsura ni dito. If you have been trend following this, then good for you. Set stops na lang, which is somewhere here. Yan. Itong 3.11, gawin nyo na lang yung stop. At the moment, malakas yung momentum. So if you're a momentum player, you might, how I would trade this is I would trade it the next day, or let's say, pag tumuloy pa yon, then Wednesday, I would sell. So, ayan. Ganyan lang, guys. And then, syempre, titingnan mo kung asan yung mga next targets niya, which is basing on the previous resistance levels, which is ito, 4 and 4.42. So that's it for dito. Very strong momentum, very strong demand happening here. Gap up yan. And congratulations sa mga nakakuha, yung mga nag-set ng mga, I would say, conditionals. So again, guys, katulad ng sinasabi ko when we were covering this, especially nung nandito pa siya, di ba? Sinabi natin, pag na-breakout dyan, pwede nyong habulin. Pero when you do that, make sure that you use automated stops. Tapos, pagka may mga ganitong klase, yes, we're recommending na dapat hintayin nyo yung consolidation. Pero kung hindi na lang siya, let's say kung tutuloy talaga siya, no, then make those, I would say, the automated stop orders so that pag na-hit yung mga levels na yun, yung mga conditionals, then it's gonna be buying for you. Para kahit hindi kayo nakasilip, your broker is gonna execute those trades. So, yan. Kailangan lang ng practice, guys. So, hopefully may mga brokers kayo na may ganong klaseng feature para hindi kayo maiwan. Okay, so that's for dito. What's the next in our list ba? Plus. So, plus. Alright. So, plus. Ito na siya, guys. Sinabi na natin na meron tayong ito. Actually, we did say na hindi na ganun ka-appealing yung chart. So, this is actually a very Delix na chart pattern. So for me, again, if gusto niyo sagarin, since nakakuha kayo ng sobrang lalim na price, especially kung, when we were covering this, naabutan niyo yun, and then we were, recommending na ipang trend follow niyo na lang, then I would suggest, take a lot of profits na, iwan kayo ng mga 1/4, ganyan, kung gusto niyo pang sakyan, tapos ilagay niyo yung mga stops either here at 6.46, here at 5.68, kung gusto niyo na sobrang long term, kasi let's say, gusto niyo long term talaga yung perspective niyo, edi sell na lang pagka yung price bumagsak dito sa 100 MA. Kasi for sure, magsa-sideways pa to eh. And then after that sideways, hindi natin alam, baka mamaya aakyat palalo, di ba? So, we don't know. Just be prepared for all these scenarios. But for me, pag ako ganito na yung itsura, dapat nagsisell na kayo ng bulk ng shares ninyo. Nag-unload na kayo. Alright? The next in our list is MOND. Okay, here we have MOND. Okay, so si MOND, andito na siya currently at 100 MA support. Darva support is somewhere here, 7.97. So hopefully mag-hold yan itong level na to. If not, then I would stay away. Tapos if you're here to, let's say, buy into a possibility of a trend following, better if mabasag yung 9.76 before you actually get in, so that mas chill yung gagawin nyo. To me kasi mas better yung nag-confirm kayo na pop trend na siya kaysa sa unahan nyo yung trend na wala pa namang established trend pero pumasok na kayo. Pwede kasing magiging malala yung magiging situation niyo if let's say inunahan nyo tapos hindi pala nag-breakout di ba? So sayang yung oras. Tapos sayang din na you stressed out on that. You could have saved time and not be stressed. So that's it for MOND. FCG is next. FCG Figaro, right? All right. So FCG. Okay, so FCG, we did say na ito yung magiging stops nyo. 0.7 or 0.69. Currently, it's down big time. So sobrang lala. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari dito. But then again, guys, price action talaga yung magiging guide natin. Always set stops because, ayan, katulad nga nito, guys, nag-breakout nga siya intraday, pero hindi siya tumuloy. Right? So, kahit na, let's say, nag-breakout yan, important yung close kung nagiging okay ba siya o hindi. Even yung open niya, hindi maganda oh. Nung nag-open siya, gap down. Tapos umakyat siya intraday. Pero, did not sustain. Monday, which is today, wala na. Bumagsak na siya. So, I don't know what's up with this stock, but definitely bearish price action over there. So, that's for FCG. Next is nickel. Okay, nickel. So, nickel is still holding. May gap tayo dito. We are seeing that this is your support range. So, pwedeng mag-support yung price at these levels. Hindi natin alam how I would trade this, I would say, kasi ZS na to eh. Tapos nagko-consolidate na lang. I would say, yeah, just wait if it closes above this level, which is 6.19, before actually getting in. Pwede naman kayo bumili dito for swing trading, pero kasi alam ko may stigma yung mga tao when it comes to gaps, especially in PSE. People in PSE don't really take gaps lightly. Natatakot sila. Gusto nilang isarado muna bago magtuloy-tuloy ito. But yeah, to be on the safe side, 6.19 is your key level area if you wanna, buy. I would say the initial amount, and then if let's say it breaks out from this level 6.4 to 6.47, then that is your go signal to buy nickel. Next is FNI. Okay, yung mga gusto niyo mga nickel stocks. All right, for FNI naman, yeah, pretty straightforward. Pagka nabasag tong level na to 2.56, this is a game over. Pag nag-breakout dito sa 2.95, then tuloy yung laban, tuloy yung laro. But very good yung structure niya kasi it's sideways eh. But for me, I'm just gonna be waiting for a breakout. It's better again to have a confirmed breakout than to buy within this range. Tapos hindi nyo alam magbe-breakout ba to o magbe-breakdown. Alam mo yun? Medyo delikado kasi yung mga ganong klaseng moves eh. Alright, that's it for FNI. Next, we have... Okay, so mukhang yun lang. Meron pa tayong... sige, SSC na lang kasi I'm pretty sure may mga request nito. So I'm just gonna cover this na lang agad. SCC. So SCC, nagkaroon ng gap over here. That was Tuesday after we did our Monday market updates. So yeah, but like right now, yeah, you can... I would still suggest now wait for a better consolidation. Although nagsarado naman yung gap dito, pero yeah, wait for consolidation. For those trend followers na nakakuha ng malalim, yeah, keep your core positions intact. But if late na kayo sa party dito sa SEC, it's really just better to wait na mag-consolidate before getting into this. Hindi naman yan forever na naakyat eh. Another request we have, guys, is Ali or ALI. Kasi naalala ko dati, ito pa yung movement, di ba? We were saying na, oh guys, wait for the consolidation muna kasi hindi naman yan dire-diretso yung angat. Which happened naman here. Nagkaroon tayo ng breakdown, then consolidation, and then ito na nga, nagsa-sideways na siya. So guys, when dealing with these kinds of stocks, wait for the breakout kasi hindi mo alam kung gaano katagal yan. So, iwas stress, just wait for the breakout. Wait na magsara dyan sa mga key levels before getting in or deciding if you wanna, trend follow that stock or not. So, ayan. I'm just gonna look at your comments, guys, kung ano yung mga request ninyo. Baka may mga requests kayo. And then, we'll move forward to the US markets. Tapos from US markets, Yeah. From US markets, let's see. Hopefully, dumiretso na tayo dun sa PSE. Okay. So may tanong dito, sabi ni Good Idea, gusto ko talaga gumaling sa trading kaso di ko alam kung paano. Okay po ba mag-enroll kila Kapitan Kidlat o kay Money Growers? So Good Idea, I think it's better to look at the mentor if, let's say, tanongin niyo yung mentor, is the mentor like living the kind of lifestyle that you want? So if nakikita mo na, okay, my values and the way that this mentor lives his life is aligned with how I want to live my life, then go for that mentor. Easy. Fast or better way for you to be able to, I would say, grow fast in your trading career. Kasi yung mga mentors, mabilis talaga kayong matuto dyan. I wish I had a mentor before. Yeah, mas mapapabilis sana yung learning curve ko. So yeah, if you can get a mentor for free, that's really the best case. Of course, quality din, and make sure that you sacrifice kasi yeah, mahirap makahanap ngayon ng mga mentors na maayos as well. That will, take the time to help you out. Not just in trading but in other things. Ayan. So, let's see. I'll just list yung mga requests ninyo. So, sabi ni Manuel, see home. Okay, sabi ni Jem, any news sa shorting sa PSE? So, I think it's gonna be happening on the 26th or next week. Exactly next week. Or is it 23? I don't know if it's 23 or 26, but sinabi nila next week. There's already a list of stocks na pwede mong i-short. Most of those are stocks with trading volume. So, kung may basura play or may mga basura na illiquid, malamang wala yun sa list. So, ayan. For me, again, as I said before, especially pagka bear market, tapos nagkaroon ng shorting, to me, medyo, ano lang to as a market maker in crypto, I would say, yung mga shorting na yan, especially in bear markets, it could be a bullish sign. Kasi, hindi ko na-explain yung buong details. I explained it in the previous Monday market updates, but this is just me na if gusto niyo yung isagad, you think na, okay, sige, may shorting na sa Pilipinas, dahil lahat ng stocks pababa na, I'm gonna short. Think again, kasi baka mamaya yung mga big players in the market are also thinking how to trap the retail para they can, pwede kayong sunugin ng big time. But anyways, that's just me thinking about it. Could happen, could not happen. I don't know. My guess is as good as yours. All right, so we have home, EW plus. I've already covered plus Manuel. Honest review, I was disappointed that I already know that they teach in that workshop Darvas, Box, RM, AOTS. In past few years, ZFT was not able to produce profitable traders. So, good honest review, Muzan. I would be very interested where you would find this data. Kasi, I mean, how are you gonna know if people don't disclose? Unless they have a way to disclose yung mga, anong tawag nito, yung data na yan, then go. I would really love to see this data as well. So, yeah. Naka-gatekeep pa ang high probable setups which I was able to reach at ensign level. Unfortunately, it's not even effective on crypto. Even Ralph Bustamante left you and went to Mesino. This is actually, I would say I'm not really. If people want to go to other, I would say service providers, it's fine with me. ZFT system is really the base. Kumbaga, I would say, ano ba? Mesino was, I'm not sure if you're aware, but Mesino came from us. Kidlat came from us. Money Growers came from us. So I'm not sure what you're talking about these things if, that's how you see it. But basically, yung mga ganitong mga profitable setups like what you're saying, high probable setups, it's not really as gate kept as you might say it is. A lot of our high probability setups are free. It's all there. You just have to find it. But kailangan mong intindihin yung pinaka-concept niya, how it works for you to be able to see if, is this setup profitable or maayos ba yung setup na to during, let's say, a bear market, a bull market, a sideways market? Because the hit rate of these setups will really depend on, number one, the kind of market that you're trading in. Number two is how you execute the setup. Kasi let's say, for example, high probability setup pero bearish market. Most likely, pwedeng pumalya yung setup na yun. And if hindi ka masyadong maayos when it comes to, let's say, tweaking, because again, the ZFT system is very or highly adaptable. It's not just a cookie cutter type. So we're not the kind of type that we give you a cookie cutter system, ganito siya gawin mo, and then it's gonna work. No, it's not like that. We don't promise that as well. We tell you, find the right system that fits you. Meaning you have to create the system that is aligned with your lifestyle. So if it's not according to your lifestyle, let's say for example, ang tinuturo namin for this season is momentum, And the obvious season for the markets is not really momentum setup. Pag pinasok mo yung mga setups na yan, for sure, malaki yung magiging loss mo kasi it's not the season for that. So again, kailangan mo siyang aralin. Ano ba yung type na trader that you are? And then the kind of market that is conducive to the styles or to the system or to the setups that will help you with your trades. So again, one of the, I would say, reasons as to how people would say, okay, I'm gonna be a profitable trader or not, it's really just finding yourself in the markets. So if you haven't found yourself in the market, and you haven't been consistent in working on yourself, then probably trading is not for you. So that's just my take. All right, to address Muzan. APX, wait lang, hanapin pa natin dito. APX, Green, Ali. Ali, I've already covered Ali, Alberto. Janelle, later si Green, I'll cover that as well. DNL and LTG. Mond, I've already covered Mond. More contents with Coach Alpha. Explorer po ako sa Discord and solid ng mga port snaps niya po. Yes, I will try to talk to Alpha. I think the crypto channel is already available. So even if you're an explorer, you can see those. You can ask him even kung ano yung mga setups niya kasi alam ko nagtuturo din naman siya eh. Nagkakaroon siya ng mga snap sessions. So I would suggest request. Mag-request kayo, itag mo si Alpha doon sa Discord, and sabihin mo, Alpha, Sir Alpha, can you teach us? And then malay mo, baka mamaya i-grant niya yung request. So ayan, that's it for next na daw sa PSEI yung derivative and future. So coffee bean, I'm not sure if this is gonna happen with BSE for now. Sana, kasi that would mean that we will have a lot of volume coming in. Pero hindi ko alam. Most likely it's gonna happen. I don't know. But that will depend if merong volume na papasok. So kailangan ng maraming pera para ganun. Brian Mercado is asking, Sir, kailan po ulit enroll ng TR? TR is open anytime. So pwede kayong pumasok if you want. Walang problema. Okay. So, Ion and then Bloom. I think ayan na yung ito na yung ating ano ba tawag nito? This is the whole list in PSE. Later guys, i-drop nyo naman yung US markets and then I will address that as well. So sabi ni Muzan, okay, same guy, Muzan, boss, your circle before improved and evolved. Please check your competitors. They were able to produce profitable students. Look at TD Page or the recent Trading RX podcast. Yes, I think may mga nag-mention naman sa akin regarding this one. So I think, happy for them naman if they have profitable students. To me kasi, I'm not they're doing their own thing. We have our way of doing things. So we're also, me personally guys, so just to give you an idea of what we're building, in TR, iba-iba yung mga circles or iba-iba yung mga products that we're introducing to the markets. So if you noticed, before, when nobody was teaching about trading or technicals, tayong nag-forefront nun. Kumbaga tayong nag-pioneer how to teach these techniques which were quite complicated at first, pero ngayon you see that a lot of people are already teaching it. The same things that we teach, all just repackaged, right? And to me personally, ang inaatake ko is the passive or active investing, which is something that not a lot of people are trying to do. So we're basically more into the aftercare service and into creating more streams of income. So for me, inaaral ko yung DeFi, inaaral ko yung iba't ibang ways how to make money passively. So DeFi, NFTs, wala masyado kayong makikitang content dyan na maayos. Usually it's just shield projects, hype, and then pump and dump. So I'm more of looking into the eyes of a conservative investor in crypto. How would you be able to get into this space without losing your money, or without losing a lot? Because ang laki kasi ng, I would say ang laki ng mga ang daming nasusunog dito, and not a lot of people are putting out quality content regarding this matter. So to me, I'm stepping up on that. And yung mga tao na nagtuturo when it comes to trading, like for example, si Alpha, si Ken, or si Yuri, we have Cosmos as well. So they're taking care of all the other technical stuff. Kasi if walang mag-aaral, walang magtuturo nitong, let's say, crypto, DeFi, NFTs, and then when the time comes na, bull market is happening, and there's no information about that, delikado, guys. So when it comes to Forex, meron din tayong mga partners that we have onboarded in our community. Later, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung yung AI. So guys, iba't ibang products and services ang available in TR. You just really have to find ano yung bagay para sa'yo. So we're not I would say, hindi na siya yung sobrang niche na PSE lang. Marami na tayong iba't ibang kina-cover. So, ayan. Sabi ni Muzan, it's Muzan again, you have to prove ZFT is better by producing profitable students. Equity curve profitable, not a single trade profit part snap. Muzan, again, let me just address this. The people that you are seeing, let's say TD, Messino, they came from ZFT, even money growers. So I'm not sure what you're talking about pagka dumating sa ganung bagay. Please do your own research, guys. So, ayan. Like, to me, kung I actually, just to address this for everyone, this is live. So walang nakahalong script or anything. I really appreciate people who are asking this kasi I also want to break down the realities of trading. So again, totoo naman yung sinasabi mo, Zan, na not a lot of people would end up profitable. That's the reality of trading. I'm pretty sure hindi naman yan 100% na people who are enrolling into all of these courses, people who came from ZFT, people who came from other courses as well would be profitable. Unfortunately, hindi talaga ganun siya gumana, or hindi siya, it doesn't work like that. But what I can say is that in all of these systems na natutunan ko, even outside of ZFT, so I'm not gatekeeping ZFT, there's a lot of other service providers out there. It's not like how it was before. Ang nakikita ko, how a person becomes profitable is if they have consistency, meaning if they have even if, let's say, they're losing in their portfolio in the beginning, if they have the consistency to show up every day, even if they don't like it, even if they are not profitable at the moment, they're just really learning how to trade. Give it 1 to 2 years, you keep it up, na you have that kind of drive, like, I want to be successful, I want to become a good trader, I want to be like this mentor or that mentor, or I want to create my own system wherein this is the kind of output or this is the kind of life that I would have. Go for that. Because I would say wala pa akong nakikilalang trader or magaling na trader na hindi pa nalulugi ng malaki and was able to bounce back from those kinds of setbacks. So I would say, yeah, trading is not for everyone, but for those people who were able to find who they are, find their technique in this, in whatever market that they choose, whether it be PSE, US market, crypto, NFT, yeah, you will make it. Just have that drive, that consistency. So, ayun, just to cover that, kasi ano naman, like, I just really want to give you guys both sides of the coin. Hindi pwedeng puro na lang ako hype and then I'm gonna say, hey, just enroll in our course and then you're gonna be 100% profitable. We're not gonna be selling that kind of talk to you guys. This is a game of discipline. If you're not disciplined, you're not gonna make it. All right. So, ayan, nasobrahan na ako sa mga pep talk, guys. So, we're just gonna continue and discuss itong mga stocks na meron tayo dito, which is Home. Home is next. Teka, check natin. This is Villar, right? Yeah, so Home, unfortunately, hindi pa siya nasa optimal levels. This is not really in the optimal levels at the moment. So, Wait for the breakout here and then silipin natin. At the moment kasi nag-breakdown na to not really good sign. So, balikan nyo na lang guys yung home pagka itong 1.84, 1.86 is broken. Teka, nagsishare ba ako ng screen? Yeah, nagsishare ako. Okay, next is EW, East West Bank. Yeah. So, EW, again, late natin to na-cover. So, I'm not gonna say na, hey, buy here or like wait for this breakout or prices to hit at this level before you actually want to be getting in. So at the moment kasi malakas yan which is pretty good, but then consolidation has to happen first before you decide to get in this structure. Medyo delix pagka pinasok mo to agad. Although maliit lang naman yung ano ba to? Akala mo kasi malakas yung di ba? Usually pagka mga blue chips na mga ganito, akala mo kasi malakas yung kanyang rally, pero hindi, parang yan. Actually, malaki din pala. From here, from that breakout level, wait lang. From here, that's around 26%. And then from here, the breakout level na hinihintay natin, ito. That is around 20%. So pretty good as well, I would say. Wait na lang for a retracement before getting, if ever you're gonna consider buying this stock. Wait for a consolidation. Magko-consolidate yan. Wait for price to come to you. Next is APX. Apex Mining. So this is for the mining. I think I was looking at gold before. Later, remind me to check gold chart as well. For APX, I would wait for these levels to be broken first. Itong 3.04 and 3.23 before you would actually want to consider getting in here. So this is a sideways movement for APX. I wouldn't touch this at the moment. Siguro kung gusto niyong i-momentum trade, then wait for 2.8. But I would say wait for a better price structure and wait for that 3.04 and 3.23 to be broken first before you actually get in. So that's for APX. Next is green. Okay, so si green, meron na tayong I would say correction that's happening, correction pataas kasi ang laki ng binagsak niya, di ba? I would really stay away from these kinds of structures actually. Like for me, it's better to have a prolonged consolidation here and a sideways movement before actually getting into this. So yeah, just wait guys. And wait for that 100 MA. Ngayon kasi ang daming ipit dito and you really want na less yung sell pressure, and if that 100 MA is still above, that just means marami pang ipit na mga tao dito sa price sa sa stock na to. So wait for that na bumagsak before you get in. Next is DNL. So we have DNL sideways to down. Kita niyo yung 100 MA, that 100 MA is above. Short-term moving averages are also above prices, unfortunately. And so, pagka nabasan tong level na to, 6.55 and 6.6, then that would be the time that you would want to get into this. Otherwise, just avoid. Don't waste your time here in DNL. Next is LTG. LTG, sideways to down din siya. Wait for this breakout. That's 9.3. When that breaks, then balikan natin. For now, sideways to down. Let's not waste time. It's like DNL, LTG. Ionics. Okay, so si Ion looks like this is actually a good pattern over here. Ion, okay. So this is one of the classic setups that we have. Actually, this is a good setup to have. If this consolidates, hindi na babagsak dito sa 1.21 and it actually goes above this level, yung 1.35, that is your trigger point, which means trigger point, pagka nabasag yung level na yan, pwede kayong bumili ng tranche, or let's say you can half tranche or full tranche. Usually half tranche to dito, meaning if you have 100,000, put 50K here, buy. And then if let's say it breaks out from this area over here, either itong 1.58 or 1.62, piliin lang kayo dyan. Aggressive is itong 158. If you want conservative, then 1.62. Then this is going to be your second tranche. So ibig sabihin, pag nag-break from these levels, you buy that next 50K. And then, you have full allocation. For now kasi, hindi natin alam tutuloy ba to o hindi. But it does look like there's something happening over here. Wait for that breakout, yung 1.35. If not, then just wait for that 1.07. If hindi yan mag-breakout, then hopefully hindi yan mabasag itong 1.07. 1.07, that's kind of like your game over mode. Game over level, meaning pagka bumagsak yung pressure dyan sa level na yan, wag nyo na dapat siyang pansinin. So 1.21, ideally, dapat hindi na mabasag sa 1.21. Pag nabasag yan, take it out of your watch list. If you want na mas hindi nyo na siya bantayan and then, baka mamaya kasi mag-rally siya, then that 1.35, that is your go signal. So that's for Ion or Ionics. Last is Bloom. Afterwards, let's proceed with US markets, guys. So Bloom, eto na yung ating price. Bloom, we've already seen that all MAs are above prices. That means sideways to bearish na siya. So this is not something that I would want to be touching. We have our support, our previous support now becoming resistance as well. As you can see here. And then ito na yung kanyang move dito for Bloom today, for Monday. So ideally, if you wanna buy into Bloom, wait for a breakout or a price to close above this level, 1.44 and 12. Saka nyo siya, i-consider. Don't even buy pagka nag-break ang 10.74. Better na yung manigurado kayo, which is itong dalawang levels na to. 11.44 and 12. If nabasag tong 9.78, tuloy-tuloy yung bagsak nito. So that's it for Bloom. I think that's it for the whole PSE. Guys, cover natin yung US market. Please do send yung mga stocks na gusto nyo i-check. I'm gonna check as well dito sa mga requests natin ano yung mga ano ba yung mga stocks na gusto niyo i-check or ano yan, yung nasa list. So wait, I'm just gonna write them down here or check yung TRNL. Hold on lang Okay, so I'm just gonna check out your comments, guys. Okay. Okay, BTC 12% at the moment. Oh, guys, we were... yeah. Okay, so sobrang na-excite na ako sa BTC. Later, guys. Okay, wait lang. Okay, sige. Check muna yung BTC, Na-hype ako sa inyo, mamaya mag-crypto na lang tayo. Okay. Hindi pa naman siya nagbe-break. Check. Okay. Later cover natin to. So, what is happening, guys? Hindi ko rin alam kung ano nangyayari, pero nakaposisyon ako dyan. Okay. Okay, raised. Grabe kayo dito, guys. Okay, sige. Let's start with let's sige, mamaya na may mga nagko-comment kasi dito din sa ko sa GC ko. Pero yeah, mukhang maraming masaya ngayong araw na to, guys. Mukhang hindi na natin kailangan mag-crypto. Okay, sige, guys, mukhang isa lang yung may gusto ng US market. Sabi ni si Kim lang yata yung interesado. Alam ko kasi si Kim from the last na Monday market updates, siya din yung isa sa mga nagbibigay ng mga magagandang stocks tuloy. So yeah, Tesla. Let's go for Nasdaq first. So Nasdaq, that's 100. Okay, here. Okay, so for US markets, ito na yung nangyari. We did warn na medyo delikado pagka ito nag-breakdown, which happened here, but that is actually a good sign. Para siyang parang medyo bear trap to Nakakala natin mag-breakdown, pero what happened was it actually held and then ito na siya ngayon. So guys, try kong madaliin yung US market para mag-crypto na tayo. Sige. Okay, so for Nasdaq 100 and SPX, malamang kasi same lang sila ng itsura or ng structure. We're looking at a bullish structure over here. Although hindi pa tayo out of the woods kasi we don't want this level to be breaking down. So pag nabasag na tong level na to, then malamang most likely babagsak na talaga to. But again, if you want to be gusto mong manigurado, you want to make sure na okay, papasok ako pagka let's say may bullish signs na, then better wait for these three levels. So itong 15,334, that is your initial na sign. Okay, it's gonna be a bull market. The next is going to be here, 15,635. So itong dalawang levels na to, yan yung titingnan nyo pagka nag-trade yung price dito sa levels na to, malamang sa malamang. Go signal na yan for another bull, I would say, bull consolidation. Then pag nag-breakout dyan, yeah, that's it. That's gonna be a huge, I would say, continuation of another bull run. So it's like breakout from here. Ideally, ganito yung mangyari. Breakout dito, consolidate, and then position yourselves, and then breakout again, and then bull market na. From pagka nabasag tong level na to. Itong mga 15 to 16,000 levels. So wait lang natin pag nangyari yan. So let's go for Tesla. Okay, Tesla. Ako lang ba guys? Parang mabagal. Or is my internet still okay? Wait lang. Let me just check. Okay. Okay, andito pa naman kayo. Sige, so Tesla. So far, maayos pa naman yung structure niya. We want na hindi na bumagsak dito sa level na to, 234.63. That is your support level. All right, so this is kind of like ganito kasi yung drawing nito eh. So anong tawag nito? Nagko-contract na yung price. So ideally and maganda na ganito yung price structure because mas mabilis or mas madali natin makikita yung pagkahalimbawa nag-breakout tong mga levels na to, then better. So, very clear. If nabasag dito, Tesla, sell or short. Pagka nag-break from these levels, buy. Pretty good structure, I would say. Meron pa bang US stocks na request? Go ahead guys, request lang kayo. Kung wala, game tayo sa iba. Okay. PDD. Okay. PDD Holdings. Okay. Ay, wow. This is actually a good one. Good pick. PDD is on our support levels. So, ito yung support area niya, actually. That's area at the moment. So, as long as magko-consolidate sa mga levels na to, then goods tayo. A buy for that level, for a breakout, is waiting for that 110.8. Then, magiging okay to. So, just wait. I would say, kung swing trader ka, probably this is a good entry. And then, if you're here for trend following, then itong level na to, hintayin nyo na break before getting in. All MAs are below prices, which is pretty bullish if you ask me. So, yeah, PDD, good pick. Okay. Dollar collapse when? Sabi ni Ginabing Koki. I really don't know. I'm not sure if this is gonna happen or what. Like I'm just here for price action. I'm not really a macroeconomist and know where the currencies are gonna go. I think si Raf, sabi ni Raf, meron naman siyang sinishare na insights regarding this kasi he's with Call naman now. So pretty sure may mga magagandang insights siya. Just ask him sa TR. Okay, APLT. So, ayan. And then we're gonna cover gold and then afterwards, let's go to crypto. APLT, Applied Therapeutics. This is a really good structure over here. Wait for a breakout. This is a bullish structure, I would say. Pwede kayong bumili siguro konti lang and then siguro pag nag-breakout dito, another tranche. So, yeah, for me, this is a good structure. This is a bullish structure. Kaso galing siyang mahabang sideways, no? Pero yeah, this is definitely a good structure. Could be good could be a good bet. And then pag nabasag yung 2.77 or if it closes above that level, above this range, then that's another buy signal. Up to you na lang kung paano nyo i-exit yan. Usually kasi pag mga ganito, yung mga pharmaceuticals, malakas yung pump, malakas din yung dump pagka, let's say, very news-driven, I would say, itong mga ganito. So, I think that's it for US market. Wala masyado. Let's go to crypto, guys. And I'm pretty interested as well with crypto, how this goes. Okay, so guys, sa mga nagtatanong regarding Binance, lahat or halos lahat ng liquidity ko doon, tinanggal ko na, nilagay ko na siya sa iba't ibang platforms. Not yung mga exchanges, but the DeFi platforms. So if you have been here listening to my journey as a passive investor or active investor, I would say I'm more of an active investor now. So, ginagamit ko pa rin technicals, getting in, getting out of the trades. But what I do most of the time is I have put my liquidity into these protocols like Orca, Camino Finance. So, I'm just gonna show you guys kung ano itsura niyan. Just give you a sneak peek. Pero I think I'll cover this. May nagtatanong kasi kanina, may tumawag. There was this guy who was asking me, like, meron ba kaming AI trading bot? So, hold on a sec. So, we don't have, I'm just gonna show you guys ito. So this one is in TR. We already have a channel here. If you're an explorer, meaning if you're a free subscriber in the Trading Republic, this service is available to you. So again, hindi kami yung service provider. You're not giving us your money. You're just gonna open an account here with their partner broker, and then meron kaming service provider that introduces itong trading bot, this EA, which is called Izanagi. And they also offer shadow trading. So again, hindi kami ito. Like, we are not the main service providers for this one. Nakikisakay lang kami dito sa mga guys na to, and this is a low risk profile, kind of like trading bot. Hindi to yung parang after a month 50% na kayo or 100% guaranteed. No, we're not like that. If you guys were able to follow this, parang in 2 years, I think 35, mga 60%, 50 to 60% yung naging returns namin. So we invested into 5 bots. One bot we tried to automate. Unfortunately, hindi nag-work out yun. Doon sa 4 na sinubukan namin na we just invested into these other service providers, lahat yon nag-fail except for one. So ito yung naging result. So for this one, as you can see, this is a buy and forget na account. So I put here around a total of $2,000 US. So $74 na yung kinita. So this around, I'm not sure if two months na or baka mga 3 months na to. I have to go back to that post. But basically, 2 to 3 months na nakadeposit yung $2,000 na yan. And then, $74 na yung kinita niya. So again, I'm not actively trading this. I'm more active in crypto, in NFTs, in DeFi. So sa akin, I'm just making all these passive streams. I'm just creating passive streams for me in this digital space. So if you're interested in learning about going into this product, get yourself into TR. Kahit yung explorers lang na role, that's free. Again, that's free. You can ask how to sign up. That's it. I think 500 pesos per month yung magiging I would say the maintenance fee or for the service provided here. So obviously, kung mas malaki yung pera mo, better. Tapos wala kayong oras, just deposit. Anytime you can withdraw naman here. Anytime between Monday to Friday. Yung hindi, yung banking days, guys. Okay, kasi alam ko, Forex, wala namang silang Saturday and Sunday. Crypto, that's 24/7. That's why I'm here. So anyways, ayan, just letting you see this kasi may mga nagtatanong before kung paano. So, for crypto, let's proceed. Teka, I'll just share my screen again kasi sinarado ko lang, kakasara ko lang nun. Okay. Here we go. So, magsimula tayo with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, mukhang pump and dump nga. Grabe guys, ang saya-saya nyo kanina. Mukhang sayang-saya kayo. Hindi ko nakikita kung anong nangyari. Yung action nangyari. Okay, long. Ang haba ng sword natin dito guys. Laser sword. I'm not sure what the news is all about, why this is, but ito earlier, this is the key level that I was looking at. I was showing to partner investors as well na parang if itong level na to mababasag, then we have a go signal. Unfortunately, tinouch lang siya. So it's not really something na parang, ano ba? Yeah, pag tinouch lang like mga ganitong klaseng galawan, okay, sige. To me, I'd rather wait na mabasag yan or like even if it's slow, basta pagka nabasag yan, you know, that's ultimately the goal. Pagka, if we see this at 30 and 31 and it trades above that range or that level, then for sure bull market tayo. And so if you're asking me if I'm holding Bitcoin, I'm providing liquidity with Cake DeFi. So yung mga naipit sa DeFi katulad ko sa DFI, dito ko nilagay yung Bitcoin ko dun sa platform nila, which is okay naman kasi every day I'm earning some BTC and also DFI. Pero hindi siya ganun kalaki guys yung positions ko. Mas malaking ipit ko sa DFI. Ano bang itsura ng DFI? Yeah, ito yung mga passive investments. Kung asan ko linagay yung mga passive yields ko. So yeah, sobrang laki ng binagsak, di ba? So good. Pero hawak ko pa rin yan, guys. Ayan. So that's it for DFI, BTC. BTC, again, wait for this level to break, 30 to 31K. Pag nabasag yung 31K, tuloy yung saya. Magiging bull market tayo dito. For the levels to watch naman on the downside, ito, pag nagsara yung 25,200, then mag-alala na kayo. Pero so far, looking good naman tayo, guys. Looks good. Very bullish. I would say this is still a bullish price action for me kahit na may ganyang klaseng wick. Although, ang dami ng trap dito, no? Hindi naman yan ganyang karami, pero like, sakto lang. ETH. Okay, ETH. Halos ganyan din yung galaw niya. Sol. Okay, Solana, staying strong, guys. Hindi siya yung ganong ka-laser sword. Yeah, Solana number 1. Solana, I'm really just, again, as what I have been saying in the previous Monday market updates, gusto ko mag-stay siya ng sideways ng matagal. Ayoko na mag-breakout yan at mag-trend because hanggang ngayon nag-iipon lang ako dito ng Solana. Hindi ko alam kasi sa ibang tao like, they want na, you know, usually kasi di ba ganun tayo, as traders, as trend followers, as momentum traders, we want na tuloy-tuloy yung akyat. It's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen. Don't worry. Mangyayari yan pag nag-bull market tayo. But as of the moment, ito kasi yung pinaka pick ko. So, I want this to just trade sideways as long as it can hanggang sa marami akong maipon and then it can go and break out. And yeah, para masaya. Teka, let me just check out your comments, guys. Ano yung mga comments ninyo? Ano yung mga gusto nyong i-check natin na tokens? So, we dropped the comments, the link. So, for people who are just watching right now, like interested how to get into our community, there's the paid and then there's the free ones. So, if you want to get into our community, learn about these things, either it's PSE, crypto, Forex. Right now we're onboarding third-party mentors as well, ZFT and non-ZFT in our community, so that if you want to learn Forex, that's your thing, go ahead. Again, I'm not really a Forex guy. Ako personally, sunog ako doon. It's not something that I'm passionate about. Although maraming liquidity or maraming pera doon, yung passion ko nasa crypto, guys. So, just a heads up. All right. So, ano pa ba? I'm just gonna check out kung ano yung mga ano nyo yung mga gusto nyo. So, XRP. Good evening, Boss Z from Israel. From Eduardo, good evening to you. Nanahimik ang lahat. Sobrang funny. So, kanina sobrang saya nyo sa comments na nagsa-celebrate kayo, tapos biglang silence. Sana walang na-liquidate sa inyo, guys. Arb. Fake news, black box. Dump ulit. Okay, MKR, TRB. Saglit ang ligaya. Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, so guys, you know what? Masaya ako sa mga ganyan. So, hindi naman sa like pinapagtawanan ko yung mga tao regarding. I'm sorry for the huge I feel so bad for people who get liquidated by these kinds of moves. And to me, medyo sawa na rin akong ma-whip, especially kung sideways movement. So yung ginagawa ko guys in crypto, I'm a liquidity provider and I'm also a consultant. I'm a market maker in crypto. So I help people, kind of like structure their charts, how they do these things. And isa sa mga one of the things that I enjoy is about being a liquidity provider in crypto is that pag may mga malalaking swing na ganyan, halimbawa, yan, umakyat yung BTC ng sobrang laki, di ba? Tapos bumagsak. Yung liquidity, yung mga nagte-trade ng buy, sell, I get fees every time there are people trading within that range. So ipapakita ko sa inyo later sa Orca kung anong itsura ng mga yields na yun. So whether it goes up, whether it goes down, I make money. Siyempre kung umakyat siya, yung mga assets that I'm providing, let's say I'm providing in Solana, USDT. So the more that people trade into that token, the more money that I make. So let's say bumalik siya dun sa same level, kumita pa rin ako. So people who, let's say for example, bumili ka lang ng Solana, umakyat siya, tapos bumalik dun sa price na yun, they don't make anything, right? Kasi unchanged eh. But for me as a liquidity provider, umakyat man yan, bumagsak, bumalik, every time there's a transaction, I'm making money. So that's what I'm doing in the space. And that's why I'm very passionate about this. And anytime I can withdraw it. So ano na lang, para-paraan na lang sa pag-withdraw kasi ayaw mong maamla ng wala sa oras. So ayan, let's go on with your requests. Okay, let's start with XRP. So XRP waiting na mag-break itong dalawang levels na to. So I'm not gonna look at the downside or yung parang levels to ano yan yung parang supports. I'm not gonna say na buy this position kayo dyan. I'd rather na pagdating sa crypto talaga, wait for that breakout before entering kasi mas safe kayo doon. Pagka binili nyo kasi itong sideways na to, hindi nyo alam kung gaano katagal yung sideways movement, di ba? Like for example, kung ito yung price, di ba? Ito yung ang tawag nito, resistance, right? Tapos sinabi ko, mukhang maganda na yung price action, stable na yung price, di ba? Tapos bumili kayo dyan, right? Pag bumili kayo dyan, tapos walang breakout, walang confirmation, hindi niya alam kung gaano katagal yung consolidation na yan. No? Ayun, tingnan mo, umakyat siya, yes, kumita kayo. Tapos mamaya, breakout, pero hindi pala, fake out pala yun, no? And then ito, breakout na talaga, ito na talaga yun. And then hindi tumuloy. And then mas bumagsak. So, welcome to crypto, di ba? So, to me, it's really better for you to wait for key levels to break before actually getting into a token. Kasi again, you never know if that's a legit breakout or if it's something like what happened just now, right? Na umakyat and then bumagsak and then wala. Diba? So that's it. XRP, wait for those levels to break. 0.53 and 0.54, almost 0.55 before kayo pumasok. ARB or Arbitrum. Arbitrum is still on a sideways downtrend. These are the levels that you need to watch, 0.98 and 0.96. So medyo malayo pa yung kanyang tatahakin dito. So that's for Arbitrum. Again, we're using the same concepts, guys. So unless it's already trending, meron na siyang breakout, meron na siyang new support, and then it's trending up, then we will change our stance regarding these tokens. So for Tomo, same. We want to see a close of price. So in these levels. Ibig sabihin nito, so 10 o'clock na. Buti na lang, umabot na tayo ng 10 o'clock tapos nasa crypto na tayo. Minsan kasi we take so long. So here, when I say that, kasi hihintay nyo yung itong wicks, you have to look at that. And then, when you decide to get into a token like this one, a wick, wait for a close of the price at this level or above this level. So pag nakita nyo na nagtitrade na above this level tapos hindi na siya bumabagsak, then that's a bullish sign. Another, and then your next tranche would be, of course, yung breakout from these wick levels. So again, hintayin nyo na mag-trade or magsara yung price dito. The next is waiting for that confirmation from a breakout of these wicks. Then you have a go signal. Now, okay, this is gonna be good. So that's how you look at it, okay? Next is MRK. MKR yata yung ina-ask mo eh. I'm not sure, MKR, baka mali yung sulat ko. So MKR, we've already said that this is one of the, ito yung sinasabi natin na gusto nating makita. So unlike other tokens na nakikita natin, di ba? We were featuring puro sideways. Ito, nakikita nyo guys, na ito yung wicks niya, right? Right? Ito yung mga wicks. So hihintayin nyo na magsara dyan yung price. So if you see na, okay, nagsara na yung price dyan, that's already a good sign na, something's happening. So you can either buy on the close at this level, pero dapat pag ganyan, yung stop nyo lang is medyo tight. Hindi naman, sorry, not medyo tight, wide. So 880 to 832 kasi with crypto kasi alam nyo naman, it's very volatile, right? So wait for, pagka nakita nyo na nagsara yung prices above this level, hindi na siya, let's say, bumabalik or let's say nag-breakdown dito sa mga levels na to, then that's a good sign. So as you can see here, ayan, kita nyo? So yes, bumagsak siya intraday pero kita nyo naman na nag-recover yung price. Then that's really a good sign. So ayan, kita nyo naman nagtuloy-tuloy afterwards and then the trend is already there. So yeah, once you see na itong mga major resistances are already taken out, then you can say na okay, sige, ipapatuloy ko yung pag-trend follow nito. So at the moment, ayan, so short-term breakdown, and then pagka may mga ganyang klase, hintayin nyo na lang na mag-breakout ulit from these levels. Ayan. So again, we're looking at the body instead of the wick. The wick is kind of like your go signal as well. But ganyan yung way ko on how I would actively trend follow in crypto. So again, just look at the ano bang tawag nito? Yung mga levels na yan, pagka nag-break doon na naman kayo bumili, di ba? Yan, so ito, nagsara. So these are kind of like your go signals na, okay, something's happening, mukhang game na naman tayo. And then if you look at the overall structure, ayan, people will say, cup and handle and stuff like that. So yeah, just familiarize yourselves with these kinds of structures and you're gonna be fine. So here, ayan, breakout, tuloy, and then consolidate. Yeah, so 100 MA, medyo swabe na rin. So pretty good structure. If hindi pa kayo nakapasok, then, just do the same thing that we did. Hanapin nyo kung asan yung body, and then hanapin nyo kung asan yung wick. And then pag nagsara dito sa body, bili kayo. Ayan. Tapos kung tumaas, di ba? They sell kung momentum. Pero kung momentum, kung trend follower kayo, then just enjoy the ride, guys. All right. So that's it for MKR. We have TRB and then ANT. That's the last ones. And then I'm gonna show you guys yung mga tokens na I'm trading and providing liquidity for. So TRB, okay, trend is already there, guys. So ito na siya. Pagka ganito naman yung move, so kasi dapat dito kayo eh. Itong dalawang levels na to, 2 and 3. Ito third level na to. Medyo delikado na pagka ganito, guys. For me, moving train na to eh. Okay lang kung nakuha nyo ng mas mababa. Pero ngayon kasi yung ganito, I'd rather wait for a longer consolidation before actually getting in. But it does look like a outlier. So usually pag outlier yung isang stock, isang token, pag tumuloy yung bull market, ito yung isa sa mga leaders. So definitely something that you want to be watching. So yeah, that's for TRB and then ANT. Okay, si ANT. ANT, another one na looks like from this trend break correction, we're seeing this retest of support. 100 MA is still here. Nagte-trail naman siya. Hindi ko gusto yung structure nito actually. Pero it does look like an outlier as well. Wait for the breakout or wait for it to trade above this range before getting in. Then you're gonna be good. So that's it for ANT. Okay. Meron pa ba akong nakalimutan? Okay. So TRX, Polygon Matic. Sige. Last na guys last list na to. Last list. And then we're gonna continue with the other tokens, yung mga degen tokens. So near, TRX, CKT, band. Yung Ivan, I don't do 4-hour charts just because most of the audience that are here are not momentum traders. Yung usual na tumitingin ng 4-hour chart kasi mga mga momentum traders. So yeah, if you're a trend follower, you can say trend follower naman ako pero sa 4-hour chart nakatingin. That doesn't count. Okay, Loom. Okay, sige. And then LQTY. And then bake. Okay, sige. Okay, ito na yung last and then let's go for the other tokens. So near is very far, is very far, guys, from reality, from our trend. Not something that we want to be looking into kasi yung 100 MA ang layo pa niya. So skip near. Let's look for other TRX. TRX, alam ko ito isa din to sa mga outliers eh. So TRX, wait for that breakout or that close above this level, 0.09. Pagka nag-close above that level, then bili kayo. Pagka nag-breakout from this level, 0.0942, then that's another, kumbaga, buy signal. And then trend follow nyo na lang. Mukhang solid naman tong si Tronasol. Next is CKT. CKT or CTK? Kayo talaga, guys, CTK. CTK is, ayun, Certic, parang hindi din siya, malayo pa sa magandang level. So 0.56 yung key level mo dito. Right now wala nasa ibaba pa. So just look for other tokens. Band. Uy, band looks good. Pero band kasi looks like a spiker. So for band, pwede naman kayo, okay, so for yung mga ganitong klaseng mga I would say structures, kasi hindi natin alam, baka mamaya mag-continuation siya, di ba? So, pwede nyo gawin is set kayo dito ng buy stop dito sa mga levels na to. Now, if your buy stop or if prices goes here, tapos nag-set kayo ng buy stop, it will automatically buy that. Or, yung conditional orders nyo, di ba? So, pag nag-hit yung mga levels na yan, good for you. Tuloy-tuloy usually yung mga ganyan eh. So, continuation play. Pero kung hindi siya hindi siya tumuloy, let's say, balik yung bumagsak siya, and then, yeah, that's unfortunately, mukhang ganyan yung magiging structure niya. Kasi ito yung ugali niya eh. Pero again, that's, hindi kasi natin alam, baka mamaya totoong catalyst na to, di ba? Magsusustain. So, those buy stops are very important. Pagka tumuloy siya sa baba, edi at least, di ba? Hindi kayo, let's say, uy, bili kayo dito, tas, hoping na magkakaroon ng continuation. You don't know if that's gonna happen. So, the best way talaga to deal with this is buy stops over here. So 1.46 and 1.54. That's for band. Loom. Uy, si Loom. Guys, alam ko, ang laki ng inakyat nito eh. Yon. Okay, so si Loom, let's just appreciate the price action of Loom, but it's not something that I would be recommending to anyone at the moment because it looks very toppish. Baka mamaya bumili kayo, sabi ni Z, Loom. Wala na. GG ang mangyari sa inyo, guys. Pag ginawa niya yan. At the moment, wait for a consolidation. Mukhang mahabang consolidation yung kailangan for this. Kasi, to me, whatever it is na nandito, baka mamaya priced in na to eh. Hindi naman yan dire-diretso yung crypto unless bull market, di ba? So, wait for this to relax. Uptrend pa naman siya, pero kailangan natin ng, mahaba-habang consolidation para stable siya. LQTY. Okay, LQTY looks fine. Looks mighty fine. So as you can see here, ito yung dapat na go signal, yung stop, buy stop. And then dito kayo maglalagay ng stop loss. Ito. So kung gusto niyo habulin, if you're a momentum trader, go ahead. If not, this is a risk, guys. This is a risk. This is already a moving train. It's better kung nakapasok kayo early on. Pero, yeah. Not something that I would be recommending live, but it does look like there's a trend. So, ingat na lang if ever papasok kayo, guys. Look at your stops. These are your major stops if ever papasukin nyo yan. Ingat na lang. Bake. So, bake looks okay, I would say. Has to trade above this level, 0.1527 and 0.16. So yun yung mga levels na kailangan yung i-hit before we actually like look into it and say, hey, you know what, like this is something good. But anyways, ayan. Same principles yung ginagamit natin, guys. We're not looking into the what is this token doing, ano yung product nila and stuff like that. Like very few yung ginagawan ko ng ganyan or nagbubuhos ako ng oras para doon. Most of the time, I would just look at price action, price structure and see, is this a good pick? Is this not a good pick? Within a minute, kayang-kaya mo lang kasing hanapin yan kung okay ba siya o hindi. So, ZFT system, how I envision it, how a user would use it, within a minute or less than a minute, makikita mo buy, sell, or avoid ba to. So, ganun lang. Yan, ine-explain ko lang sa inyo guys ano yung mga how you wanna be looking at things. Yeah. So, ganun lang. Right. I'm just gonna check out another token. Taka. So I'm just gonna share another tab, and then I'm gonna read your comments. So tapos na guys yung mga crypto requests. I think we have 19 minutes to wrap up. All right. So okay, so kita yung mga transactions ko dito. All right. As I've said earlier, as I mentioned, most of the tokens that yung liquidity ko from Binance, nilipat ko na siya dito sa Solana ecosystem. Meron ako sa iba't ibang chains, like meron ako sa BNB, meron ako sa Matic as well. Meron din ako sa DFI chain. Meron din sa Wax. Pero yung pinaka-heavy ko is dito sa Solana. So in the Solana ecosystem, I'm a specialist. So again, maraming pera in ETH. Yes, maraming pera, maraming opportunity in ETH. For me, using the technology between Ethereum and Solana, for me, superior talaga si Solana, and that's why I'm here. So baka mamaya kasi magtataka kayo, bakit si Z nandyan sa Solana? I just love the tech. It's easier, simpler to use. And yes, while the money is not here yet, I know it's gonna happen. It's gonna come here. So ayan, GP is one of my top picks. So this is the token that represents the Tayo ecosystem. If you have been listening to me for the past several months now, probably 3 months, ito yung buhang bibig ko na laging sinasabi na GP is something na I'm very heavy at because it's one of those products or it's one of those projects that is building ecosystems. So it's not just building for themselves, it's building for other chains as well. So they can build technology in BTC, in Ordinals, in Matic, in other chains, basically. So to me, products that build in the bear and then have, products or projects that build in the bear and have a steady following or a solid core following with good products, then dun ako mag-i-invest. Again, I'm an investor here. I'm not a trader. So people who are following me here, usually, yun yung mga naglalaro ng pilots. So, yung pilots, yun yung mga NFT na I wouldn't say passive income or passive yield. It's really active DeFi, meaning you have to do certain actions and then if, let's say, nagawa mo ng tama, then you get rewarded by tokens. So again, GP, that's one of the tokens na I'm heavy at. The next is Nana and Coco actually. So I'm providing liquidity with Nana and Coco. Ngayon, medyo downtrend na to siya. So kita nyo naman, ito mga buys ko ito. So habang bumabagsak siya, I'm buying and I'm providing liquidity. Ngayon, hindi na ako nag-add. I'm waiting for their catalyst to happen and then saka ko siya ibebenta. For now, hawak lang ko. So it's the same thing with Coco as well. Ang ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko lang siya dun sa mga liquidity providers ng mga services like Camino and Orca so that pag halimbawa may ganitong klaseng price action, kahit na hindi ko siya titingnan, especially with Camino, it automatically rebalances my positions for me. So I don't have to, let's say, sell the token and then put it into the pool again. The next that I'm holding, so again, trend-wise, hindi okay tingnan si Nana at si Coco, but again, I'm here as an investor, I'm looking into it. And the next is SCS. This is for Sol Casino. Sol Casino, nagtank ito yung price niya and actually bought a lot here. Every day, I'm selling here. Siguro, what happens here is I have NFTs. So for those of you who are just listening right now, yung ginagawa ko kasi in Solana, I'm looking for these projects, itong mga may NFTs that have a token attached to it. I stake those assets, those NFTs, and then I get tokens in return. So, yung mga passive yields, yun yung habol ko. So, it's like, let's say, every 3 days, click lang ako ng button, and then, if, their product, their services does well, I get a revenue, a share of the revenue that they make. So, basically, it's like, nag-invest kayo sa Plus, di ba, ano yun, casino. So, instead of, let's say, gambling into their casino, they're actually investing into that product, like buying Plus or buying Bloom. Yung mga casino na mga stocks. And then, di ba, nagbibigay sila ng dividends. Like, they give dividends, let's say, in a year, or probably special dividends, depende. Here, the dividends kasi are every day and it's real time, so I can like withdraw those dividends. I can sell it into the market without actually selling my share or my NFTs. So pwedeng bumagsak yung price nun though. So those are the risks that I'm taking. These are the things that I'm inaaral ko. And I would say because of DeFi and NFTs, kahit hindi na ako like, well, I wouldn't say it like that, pero sometimes sinasabi ko na kahit hindi ko na kailangan mag-trade actively, I can make right when I was looking into my passive yields, I think around 3,000 a day to 5,000 a day. Ganun kalaki yung yield ko. Nung peak ng bull market, yung previous bull market, my passive yield umabot siya ng 100,000 a day. And that is the reason why I'm here in the space. I'm looking for these projects. I'm seeking them out because I know that when the bull market comes, this DeFi, the products that are here, it's gonna happen again. So, market cycles lang, guys. Hanapin nyo lang kung ano yung mga products na, it's the same makeup. It's the same pattern every day. Ibang packaging lang. So, I think yan lang yata. RLB pa. So SES, that's one of the tokens na bago na launch or yung new product. Yung OG product when it comes to I would say casino and crypto casino, this is RLB. So ito hindi ko nasakyan yung NFT nito. So if meron kayong NFT ng RLB, they give you passive RLB during that time. Ngayon, medyo hindi na. Iba yung way nila. If you get those RLB tokens, you stake into their platform, you earn I think you earn revenue, like a share of the revenue of the product that they have. So I'm not a gambler. So what I do, I just invest into their project instead and then earn from the people who are gambling. So crazy. And here with RLB, I bought the token tapos I'm providing liquidity. So this is another one of my picks. Nakikita nyo yan. So these are the transactions that I'm making. So yan yung mga green, mga buy, yung mga red sell. Some of the transactions hindi din makikita, especially if you take out yung liquidity. Another one is Foxy. So Foxy, this is an inflationary token. So mag-ingat kayo guys kasi the reason why umaakyat itong Foxy token na to, this is actually mga 50% na yung akyat nito eh. But the reason why umaakyat itong token na to is because they have, they're minting the remaining of their OG collection and then hindi pa disclosed kung magkano or ilang Foxy tokens yung gagamitin to mint the project. And so, ayan, people are speculating kung magkano. Here, I'm providing liquidity here. I'm not actively trading is. So nakikita nyo kunwari mga buys yan, pero meron na akong mga naka-take profit dyan na positions. Hindi lang nakikita dito though. So how does this look like? Okay. So ito na yung next question. So papakita ko sa inyo guys yung tab ko where I provide liquidity. So this is just one of the accounts that I have. I have multiple accounts. I have multiple managed wallets. So this is just one of the wallets that I manage. And I'm providing liquidity dito sa mga tokens na to. So kita nyo naman GP, SCS, RLB, Coco Nana. So as you can see here, if there are transactions happening within that token, mabilis, very, let's say, very volatile, I earn yields. So kita nyo yung yield na yan, yung 303. So this is basically a week a week worth of liquidity. So, naglagay lang kayo ng tokens dun sa protocol you set up a range, and then syempre pag umakyat yung so basically what's happening is halimbawa let's say GP Sol. Itong GP Sol na to, kakalagay ko lang nito kaninang umaga. Alright? And then I put in $1,000 worth of GP Sol na liquidity. I put the range there. And as you can see, this is the estimate. So again, estimate, hindi yan fixed. This is the estimate yield within 24 hours. Pagka nagpatuloy yung trading volume, then I'm getting 2% of my capital for within 24 hours. Pagka constant yun na. Pag syempre, let's say, may malaking transactions na nabubuo or nagaganap, mas malaki yung magiging yield ko. Kung walang nagtitrade doon sa token na yun, then wala akong magiging yield. So basically, ganun lang yung concept. Itong SCS, I'll show you guys yung chart niya. Ito yung chart ni SCS, right? So nagkaroon dito ng FUD. Ang dami kong binili dito ng mga SCS tokens. Tapos, so basically mga 3 days ko na siyang bili and nilagay ko siya sa liquidity pool. So what happened is I put around $1,000 worth of assets of SCS USDC. And then kumita ako sa price appreciation. So ngayon kumita ako ng $62, right? Because of umakyat yung SCS from where I bought it. Now, yung pending yield na yan yung yield or yan yung kita ko from all the transactions that's happening. Sorry, hindi ko pala na-switch yung yung window. Pero yan, basically lahat ng transactions na nangyayari dito, yung malaking wick na yan, yung volume na yan, tapos itong mga transactions na nangyayari dito sa dalawa pang candles na to, I'm getting a percent from all those transactions. So, ito yung itsura niya. So, I'm sharing you guys yung Orca. Ayan. So, just because I'm providing liquidity for SCS USDC, kumita ako ng $62 plus kumita ako ng $88 just because of all those transactions that are happening within a 3-day period. So, within 3 days, naglagay ako ng $1,000, kumita ako ng $62, kumita pa ako ng 88 na yield from all the transaction fees. So, basically, guys, I'm like the broker. Right? Yung brokers, masaya yan sila pagka let's say, nasusunog yung mga tao or let's say, kumikita yung mga tao because pag umakyat yung price, bumabagsak, they're making money out of all those transaction fees. So, let's say, sina Binance, sina kung ano pa yan, then, masaya sila sa mga ganong klaseng swings. Kunwari, nagsasabi sila, sad day for crypto, ganyan. Pero syempre, ideally, gusto nila, syempre, na lahat ng mga tokens na yun aakyat because pag umakyat yung tokens na yun, yung value ng assets ng liquidity na provide mo doon, aakyat din yun. So, what's happening is, kumita ka na doon sa, like, itong yield, I'm getting a USDC, I'm getting SCS as well, and kung umakyat yung SCS, edi, mas malaki yung value nung natatanggap ko, di ba? So, sobrang crazy how this whole thing works. But basically, that's how I do it. Every day or every week, kino-collect ko yung yields na yan. So, halimbawa here, I have 303, right? Or 304 na siya at the moment, right? So, check ko yung wallet ko. Yeah. So, ngayon, meron akong 605 in my wallet. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo ba yan. Teka, kita nyo ba, guys? I'm not sure eh. Teka lang. Mukhang hindi siya nakikita sa pag-share screen. But basically what happens is if I harvest that today and then I would want to withdraw that today, kayang-kaya. So it's not like, for example, Forex or stocks, right? Na pag Saturday, Sunday, hindi mo magagawa yun. Here, with crypto, anytime. Just give me an account. That's it. So I think, ayun lang. Medyo info overload. So sabi ni Mazel, ready na po sa laro mamaya. So what she's saying or referring to is GP sa pilots. So puyatan kami dito. Usually it's 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. and then every 2 days nagkakaroon ng mga missions. So I have around I've invested around a good 2 million pesos ganun. And then I'm earning in between mga 30,000 to 60,000 per mission. So, kung, let's say, hindi ako hindi naging maganda yung decisions ko. I might lose some, pero basically yung yield ko is around 30,000 to 50,000 every 2 days or 60,000, ganun. Pwede po may walkthrough paano mag-open ng account sa Orca. So, okay. I think I've already discussed yung how, Mazel. So, I've discussed this in YouTube. Nasa ano to eh. Nasa YouTube natin. Sa ZFT YouTube. There's like a walkthrough how to start with Orca, how to start with Camino Finance. So, walang affiliate links yun. You have to do it yourself though. So, yun yung masaya dun. Pero, kailangan nun ng mas deep understanding of liquidity providing and also market making and I would say basic trends. Kasi you don't want to be providing tokens na hindi mo naman gustong i-own. So, if you're bullish on, let's say, Solana, provide ka dun sa Solana in USDC kasi ginagamit mo yung dalawa, di ba? If you're bullish on Solana and then Ethereum, in Solana, here in the DeFi sector in Solana, meron tayong ST-Sol at saka ETH, yung Lido staked ETH. Pwede ka mag-provide sa dalawang yun. So, umaakyat si Ethereum, umaakyat si Solana, you're making money from the appreciation ng dalawang assets na yun. And pagka, syempre, nagkakaroon ng transaction between the two, you're making money from the fees from the fees there. So, hanapin mo na lang, Mazel. Alright, yung link. If you're in TR, in the Trading Republic, dun sa ZFT Lab of Investments, meron akong nakalagay dun na parang guide as well. So kung you're part of TR, hanapin mo na lang yung channel na yun, tapos backread mo na lang, andun lahat. So yeah, we're just gonna drop the comments if you guys are interested in joining our community. So again, if you're interested in learning about these things, PSE, crypto, US markets, even Forex, we have all of these provided. So, pili na lang kayo kung anong market yung gusto nyo. Pwede kayong pumili ng dalawang market kung gusto nyo pagsabay. Although we don't really suggest that. But go ahead, guys. We have all these things free for you guys to learn from. And tanong lang kayo, mababait naman yung mga tao sa TR. So, ayan. Sige. So, sabi ni Joshua, kinakain din po ba yung ini-invest nyo or ano po yung risk? Good question. So we still have 2 minutes. So yung risk nun, Joshua, is if halimbawa yung assets na provide mo bumagsak yung kanyang value or bumagsak yung price, then that is your risk. Kung bumagsak yung, let's say for example, Solana, tapos nag-invest ka doon, nilagay mo sa liquidity pool, bumagsak yung Solana, then that is your risk. Para kayong nag-trade din. Pero with liquidity mining kasi, hindi lang Solana yung doon ka naka-invest eh. Halimbawa, nilagay mo sa Solana USDC. Ang mangyayari nito, ideally kung nilagay mo siya na 50-50, then what's happening is, binibenta niya yung Solana, kasi bumagsak si Solana, and then meron kang USDC na naka-pair sa kanya. What happens is, para ma-offset yung pagbagsak ni Solana, itong USDC binibenta niya, and then buying a little bit of Solana hanggang sa magbabalance yung dalawa. Then, overall, ang mangyayari nun, babagsak yung value ng investments mo, pero dun sa transaction na nangyayari dun sa pagbagsak na yun, you're still earning something. Para siyang consolation price. So that's the risk. Now the gain is, syempre, kung makyat si Solana, kumita ka dun sa price appreciation, plus kumita ka dun sa mga fees na every time there's a person transacting. So ganun siya. Sabi ni Ginabing ko, okay, any thoughts or advice, recommendations about life insurance or vol? This is not my specialty. I'm not going to comment on something that I'm not an expert of. So, you shouldn't be asking me. Ayan. Same lang ba ang liquidity pool sa Orca and Binance? No. So, sa Binance, medyo mabagal kasi 50-50. Pero, if you want low risk, dyan mo ilagay sa Binance. If medyo alam mo na kung anong ginagawa mo, then put it into Orca, put it into Camino Finance. It's better. Mas mabilis yung yields compared to Binance. Kaya ako nilipat yung liquidity ko from Binance to Orca and Camino kasi mas mabilis yung yield. Parang one day or let's say within a week pwede kang $500 ganyan. Depende. Minsan in one day pagka halimbawa sobrang tindi talaga ng transactions, I think the most that I got na liquidity in 3 days was around 2,000 USD. 2,000 to 3,000 USD. A good 100K. So, nilagay mo lang yung assets mo doon, nagtitrade yung mga tao, umakyat man yan o bumagsak, then you're making money. Siyempre, gusto mo umakyat yung asset, di ba? So, umakyat yung asset, tapos umakyat din yung nagra-rack up yung fees. You earn that, you sell all that, and then put it into stable tokens as well. So, ganun yung ginagawa ko, guys. As an active investor in crypto. So, thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. It's already 10:31. Hopefully may natutunan kayo, and see you on the next Monday market updates. Bye.
What is ZFT? No, the right question is, who is ZFT? We are a new generation of wealth builders, a community of dreamers who broke the cycle and enjoying the best of what life has to offer. Money is just a byproduct of our process, and we do this while pursuing our dreams and passions. Yes, we make it all possible. Learn how to trade, dive into the cryptoverse, build or invest in Web3. We'll help you with your first steps and light your path to greatness. Join us as we defeat giants, meet our allies, and embark on this adventure called life. We are ZFT.